Hello viewers! In today's video, I'll show you the top 3 apps that can help you earn $200 to $300 per month online. So make sure you watch the video till the end without skipping. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. At number 3, we have FreeCash. To download this app, go to the Play Store and search for FreeCash. Click on the first app that appears, then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, simply open the app. After opening the app, first click on Sign up for free. Next, select Sign up with Google. Now choose any Gmail account from your phone and complete the sign-up process. Once the sign-up is done, select your gender. If you are male, choose male. If you are female, choose female. Then enter your age and click on the Finish button. That's it! Your account has been successfully created. After creating your account, you can complete a small and simple survey in the app. This short survey allows you to easily earn 10 cents. The survey consists of 3 questions that you need to answer to earn. To get started, scroll down and click on Future Survey. Then click on Get Started. For the first question, select your gender and click Next. For the second question, enter your postal code and click Next. For the last question, enter your date of birth and click Next. As soon as you finish, you will receive 10 cents instantly. To earn from this app, you need to download games and play them. The app offers a variety of games, so just click on the game you like. In the app you're seeing, if you level up, you can earn directly from it. To start earning, click on Play and Earn. This will take you directly to the Play Store. Download the game, and when you level up, you will automatically receive dollars in the app. There are many different games in this app, and by playing them, you can easily earn $200 to $300. From this app, you can earn up to $150 in bonuses every week. To claim your bonus, click on Reward. Then click on Bonus and go to Daily Streak. If you earn $1 on the first day, you will receive a 3-cent bonus. On the second day, earning $1 will give you a 5-cent bonus. On the third day, earning $1 will give you a 10-cent bonus. On the fourth day, earning $1 will give you a 20-cent bonus. On the fifth day, earning $1 will give you a 40-cent bonus. On the 6th day, earning $1 will give you an 80-cent bonus. On the 7th day, earning $1 will give you a maximum $150 bonus. You can also earn by referring friends in this app. To refer, click on Invite Friends. Then, copy your referral link and share it with your friends to earn 5% commission. To withdraw money from this app, click on Cash Out. For PayPal, you can withdraw a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $200. For Visa, you can withdraw a minimum of $5 and a maximum of $200. For Bitcoin, you can withdraw a minimum of $0.69 and a maximum of $1,000. For Litecoin, you can withdraw a minimum of $0.5 and a maximum of $1,000. The second app on the list is called Swagbucks. To download this app, go to the Play Store. Then search for Swagbucks. Click on the first app that appears and tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, click on Open. After entering the app, click on Continue with Google. Now sign up using any Gmail account from your phone. Then check the box for I agree to the terms of use. And finally click on Join Now. You can earn from this app through surveys. The surveys require you to answer a few questions. From each survey, you can earn 5 Swagbucks, which is worth 5 cents. The more surveys you complete, the more you can earn. To start a survey, click on Start Survey Now. For the first question, provide your gender and age. For the second question, provide your date of birth. To complete the survey, you must answer 20 to 25 questions correctly. Only then will you be able to earn from the survey. You can also earn by downloading and playing games in this app. Click on Games, then select the game you like. By leveling up in the game, you can earn money. You must reach the required level specified in the app to earn. To download the app, click Get Now. This will take you directly to the Play Store. Once you download the app and level up correctly, you will automatically receive dollars in the Swagbucks app. There are many games in this app, and by playing them, you can easily earn $200 to $300 per month. You can also earn a lifetime income by referring friends. To refer, click on the three-dot menu, then click Refer. If your friends earn 300 Swagbucks, you will also receive a 300 Swagbucks bonus. Additionally, you will earn a 10% lifetime commission from your referrals. To withdraw money from this app, click on Redeem. The app offers multiple payment methods. Choose your preferred method to withdraw money. The minimum withdrawal amount from this app is €5. The #1 earning site is called SproutGigs. To start earning from SproutGigs, first open the Chrome browser. Then search for SproutGigs. Click on the first website that appears. After entering the website, click on the Sign Up button. In the first name field, enter your first name. In the last name field, enter your last name. In the nickname field, choose a unique nickname. In the email field, enter your email address. In the password field, create a strong password with at least 8 characters. Then click on the Sign Up button. A verification link will be sent to the email you used during sign up. Go to your Gmail account, open the email from SproutGigs, and tap on it. Click the following link. After that, log in to your account. To start earning from this website, you must complete your KYC identity verification. For that, click on Go to Account Settings. Then click on Identity KYC. Scroll down and fill in the required details. Enter your national ID number. In the first name field, enter your first name. In the last name field, enter your last name. Enter your date of birth. In the address field, enter your address. In the city field, enter your city. In the state field, enter your state. In the country field, enter your country. Finally, enter your postal code. Once all details are completed, click on Save Personal Identification. Now you need to upload your NID pictures. Scroll down and you will find 2 options to upload the images. In the first option, upload the front picture of your NID. In the second option, upload the back picture of your NID. After that, click on Upload Identification Document. Finally, to complete the KYC verification, you must upload a selfie. In the selfie, make sure to show your NID clearly. Then upload the selfie and click on Upload Selfie with ID. Once done, your KYC status will move to pending, and within 24 to 48 hours, you will be notified whether your KYC is approved or not. To start earning from this website, first click on the 3-dot menu, then click on Micro Jobs. After that, click on Find Jobs. Here, you will see a huge number of tasks available. By completing these tasks, you can easily earn $200 to $500 per month.